Hi, this is the Galaxy S23 FE and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. First, we should open the settings app, then tap to this sound section. And here you'll see volume panel. Just to change ringtone volume, slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. Also, we could make it with the help of the volume buttons, but first be sure that this switcher is turned off, and now by press to the up or down volume button we could change the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.